Hey everyone, this is Swati and you're watching Beauty Things. Today's episode is about the most awaited product from Oriflame, that is Super Matte Lipsticks. Before that, if you are watching my video first time, just click on the red subscription button below and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever we upload a new video. So the MRP of these lipsticks are 679 rupees, but I have bought this in an offer somewhere around 350 rupees. And the outer packaging of these lipsticks look like this. It's quite sleek but contains nice quantity of product. Here you can see. It's a quite long-lasting lipstick if compared with other lipsticks from this brand, maybe around 6 to 7 hours. So here I'm swatching two lip shades from this range one by one, both on my hands as well as on my lips. So the first one here is Perpetual Papaya. As the name suggests, it's a beautiful orangish papaya shade. Orange lovers, especially medium skin tone people, this is for you. And obviously it will look great on fair skin people as well. We'll show you how these lip shades look like under flashlight at the end of this video, so keep watching for that. So this is how it looks on my lips. The texture of this lipstick is not like any other drugstore matte lipstick. It's quite creamy and hydrating to your lips. This formula prevents your lipstick from creasing. If you want to see the other shades from this range, check out the description box or click on the I button above. So the second shade here is Resolute Red. It's a gorgeous blood red shade. It works wonder with every skin tone, and this is how the shade looks like in natural light. I must say the formula of this lipstick is quite unique as it gives you a feel of hydration and looks like matte lipstick at the same time, but some of its shade need little pat of tissue paper if you want that super matte look. So here it is. The gorgeous shades. So this is how it looks on my lips. These shades are available online. If you want to buy, I have attached link in the description box, but I would suggest you to buy it either buy it from any Oriflame consultant near you or join Oriflame to avail more discounts and gifts. For that, just write I'm interested in the comment box. Will contact you. Now here you can see both the shades under flashlight. So that's all from my side today. I hope you enjoyed. If you find it helpful, give it a big thumbs up. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Swati signing off. Bye bye.